I have two questions to answer out of this data. First is I need to access the phone number. How I can do that? I will use the left function and I will use the is equal to left, and then I will select that cell, then comma, and then I need to find out how many numbers I need to count. Let's say I am taking a one number and I press enter. So it is giving me a number 1. So I need a code. Before the dash, the code is there, like 1 2 3 is the code. It is 3-digit number which I need to get it. So I'll make that left be 3 and then I'll put 3. It will give me the code number. Now this is the first thing. Second, I need to find out how I can extract the year from the date. So again, I will use the same function, left is equal to, and then again I will note down how many digit I need to put. Like 2024, it's a 4-digit. I will put 4 and enter. And this is how I will get the date from the data.